All right, so we got about 5 gallons of gas we're gonna put in here, and hopefully this be enough to fire it up. Four gallons worth of gas in it. So now we're gonna hook up the battery again, and we're gonna pray to God that it fires up. All right, Kasey. The battery plant probably gonna flip off. All right. Yep. That was. I hate these things. Come on, let it run. Well, got a problem. Oh. All right, so we just took this fuel pump out. We had to take a big flathead screwdriver and a hammer to tap this thing around, and eventually we got it to pull. And we should have got it on video, but honestly we forgot about it. And when we pulled it out, just a bunch of brown gas shot out. I mean, it looked like poop water. And it was pretty disgusting. So now we're gonna see if if we hear it cut on or anything. All right, turn it off and do it again. Yeah, I'm not getting anything. All right, so Kasey and I just thought of something. We thought that it could be the fuel pump relay. So we're gonna break open this block box here. Let's see if we can find the relay. All right, so this is a mirror image. So engine wire connectors here. So fuel pump relay here. So it should be right here. All right, Kasey, try to cut it on. Let's see if I can hear anything. All right, do it again. Yeah, it sounds like it's shorting out. So let's see, 6HC, 6HC. Okay, they're all the same. So I'm just gonna take this one off from the fuel pump relay, and since we're not really gonna crank it, we're gonna take the trans relay. Now let me use the AC clutch. So that's gonna be here. Let me use this one. That'd be better. We ain't using AC anyway. Okay, so. All right, Kasey, try to do it again. Let's see if we hear anything in this fuel pump. Do it again. I'm not hearing nothing. All right, our second time doing this, so we broke it on the other one, so hopefully we don't break this one. And then you're supposed to pull this red retainer clip out. Push it out. All right, Kasey got the battery in. Looks like it's working. Kasey, turn it on. See if this fuel pump comes on. Yep. All right. Oh boy. Okay, we got to work. Okay, hold on a second. All right, let's plug in the fuel line. All right, we'll get right back. Let's see. Let's plug in the fuel line. We got a fuel pump in. All right, I want you to turn it on and let it sit for a minute. Let the fuel get up to it. All right. All right, try to cut her on. Battery, okay, hold on. All right, try it again. Battery again. All right, hold on. Try it one more time. Hold on. Yeah! Oh, yeah! Boy! God dang, you did it, Kasey! Man, we did it! God, we got to run! Kasey.
Sure did.
Now we gotta put the finish touch and we'll get it on the road in a minute. All right, go switch it off. God dang. Bo, that's great.
Yep.
God dang.
I'm happy.
Yeah, me too. All right, let's put the finish touches on her. God, I'm so excited. Woo! All right, first start in Dodge Dakota, and it's gonna move under power for the first time in 5 years. Trap. Hear that power steering?
Yeah, I hear it.
truck back in. Obviously, we hadn't got the radiator fixed yet. We got the hoses and everything. Got the top hose and went to go get the bottom hose and didn't have none to fit it. So they got to order it. And we was looking down here and we think that line with the duct tape around it is I can plug in transmission. We just came back. It was completely out of power steering fluid and it was smoking, so we just put some in there. Checked the oil. Oil was good. Transmission fluid was a little low, even though I put some in it. So now we're gonna take the door off of old Red back there, and we're gonna put the bed on here and the door on here, and then we should be able to get the hoses soon. What's your impressions, Kasey?
We getting it.
Needs some work though, don't it?
A little bit.
Nothing we can't handle, right?
Right.
All right, well, let's get this door on.